Hey guys, welcome back. Douglas's Model Garage's videos, and yes, I have completed something. This will be the Dodge Charger SRT8 Super B, but this is my custom version. And in a minute, I will show you what I mean by custom. So give me a second, I'll pull them out. So here we go, guys. This is my custom version of it. It didn't come out the best way, but it was previously started by my dad and my brother, and I added my touches to it. I lost the wing somewhere in the transformation in transport. I don't know where I lost it, but I lost it. But this is how it came out. Let's see. It does have. I still have to put a few more parts onto it, like the exhaust tips. But for pretty much, it's done. I put the 2000s period correct clear tail lights on it with the red bulbs inside. And it has the red interior with the flames. Um, and let me show you what it looks like underneath the hood. Yeah, hood doesn't open very far. So, but we got more than a V10, more than a V8 under here, as you can see. That is a Viper V10 stuffed into a Charger. And let me show you underneath the hood here, on the chassis. So we got a stock exhaust, almost hidden. So I just kind of mocked it up, so it's not completely connected, but it looks good. It's a model kit, guys. So this is the completion video of the Charger, Dodge Charger SRT8, well, SRT10 now, Super B. And this one's black with red interior, and it's got some flames. I used the stock wheels, they look pretty good. Very medicine look with that black paint job. And the grill and lights in there came out very good for me. And of course, that V10 looks sets it right off. And for me, I always wanted a sedan with a V10. You know, I figured, more than your average Charger, rather than having it with the stock Hemi V8. Why not throw a little snake into it, as in a Viper? So I just want to thank you guys for watching this, and have a great day, guys, whenever you're watching it. All right.